folks, and welcome back to another lesson. We're going to do Bombtrack by Rage Against the Machine, because I can't believe that we haven't already done it. So let's just dive straight in, shall we? Clean tone for the intro. For that part, and then I'm using the 1991 with these settings for the dirt. Which gets you in the ballpark. So the first riff goes like this, and I'm on a bridge pickup, by the way, right throughout. So you've got okay, so just let me stop there because there's a variance. You've got 5-3, next time the fourth bar you're going to go 3-2. Okay, not 5-3, right? So just be aware of that subtle little difference. But essentially, it's just this riff running around with the odd variation of that stuff thrown in, okay? So the first two bars slowly. I use my little finger all the time, but you know, you could use your third and first basically is all you need. Okay, as per the tab, I'm not going to call out all the notes because it's pretty simple stuff. Then the third and fourth bars. You just got to jump over the fifth fret and play 3-2 for the last two eighth notes. Okay, then bar 5 and 6. You just do a trill where you would have done exactly the same as bar 1 and 2, right? But you've just got a trill on the last note, on the last beat, okay? That's 5 to 7 there on the D. Then again, that little jump over to 3-2. Then you go around the whole lot again, all 8 bars. But then the last time, so the bar 7, the second time round would be, you just leave the E note ringing out, okay? And then you'll hear that coming in, right? But you can just smash the distortion on and go straight into this part. Pretty cool, isn't it? So we've got I'll clean it up actually so you can hear it. It's so you're just playing octaves on the F sharp, but you start off with the open E. So you want to keep, you know, your fingers roughly in place, right? Then you move up to the fourth fret and you play these meaty chords, right? Which are basically power chords on the A string. So fourth fret, which is C sharp, C, B, but with the fifth in the root, okay? So you're going to actually be playing G sharp, G, and F sharp in the root. Okay, so slowly. That goes around twice, but then the third and fourth time you just leave it ringing out on the G sharp, okay? So 4-4-6-6, all right? So that would be when Zach does that little count in, and the verse riff is awesome. It's so good. It goes like this. All right, there's a few fills, but that's the bulk of it. So we've just got, again, F sharp. Let me clean it up. You've got little bend on the fifth fret. It's like a quarter step bend, I think. So make sure you're muting those notes as well. Okay, you're muting with this finger, right? You're just pressing down and you're not pulling right off. You're just letting the string go dead underneath your left finger, okay? And then you've got this run. So on the D string there, 4th fret. Okay. Very bluesy, isn't it? So you play that round twice, and then you go into this part. That's a full step bend, and then the fill plays an octave above. So you have... Alright, like that. So those two parts together would be... Pretty cool. Let me slow it down, I'll play it clean. Okay, that's the melody. And that upstroke there on the open E gives you time to move up. Okay, one more time. Then you go into this part. So in that second half, you play... You just play a slide from wherever I tab the 9th fret, but I mean you could do it from wherever. Back into that. You play that round 3 more times, then you're going to go back into the bridge with this. Alright, then you go round the whole lot again, you know, another verse, and then the fill into the second bridge though, very Black Sabbath, it goes... You got that right. So you're basically going to play... You go down to the 1st fret on the E, but as soon as you do, you bend it up half a step, okay? And then release it. So you go up for 1 beat and then down for 1 beat. Okay, and then back in. Then for the middle 8, you're going to play this. Like that, okay? I think you might actually play. So that would be... And then you're into the next riff, right? So let's just do that quickly. You've got 16th notes, but it's quite a slow BPM, so you've got 4 per beat, right? And then you do build up that sort of power chord shape, and then you slide it up an octave to the 19th fret, and you play. So down, down, up, down, 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 okay? Then you're into this part, which is awesome. Like that. And honestly, once you start playing it, very difficult to stop. You basically have a load of pull-offs and bends. It's such a lovely riff. You've got 2-0, 2-0. Little bend on the 5th fret. 2 more. And then the 2nd fret again. Then you play down, up, repeat. But then you're going to play this fill. That's on the A string, so you're going to go 4 0 3 0 2 0. Play it slowly, clean for you. Like that, right? Then there's this little solo part which plays this. 3, 4. So you've got double stops on the 14th fret and the 16th fret on the D and the G, and it's all off beat. And then you bend up the 17th fret, hold it there, and then play it 3 more times. And then the next time you just play, you slide back up to the 14th fret on the E, pretty straightforward, right? You just got to bend and release there. It's a half step bend on the 16th fret, that is. Then back in. Into that riff, and there's another little outro solo part which goes, and then some scratchy noises, which I think you'll find are exactly like I just did. Then you have this. And then you're done, right? So you've got these parts. That is just a bend on the 16th fret on the G, while the B string on the 17th fret on the B string is held, right? And then he does some little scratchy stuff with his, his little toggle switch and stuff. I don't have a kill switch on this. And then you've got 14th fret double stops. You do that for 2.5 beats, so 6 times. And then you go into these. And then you're done, right? So the other guitar part would be playing along with that. And that is it. We are done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.